Hello guys, myself Shubham Chachan. Welcome to my channel. So today in this session we will discuss GATE 2014 set 3 question. We are given the PNP transistor. Base to emitter voltage is given as 0.7 volt and beta is specified as 50. And we have to assume this base resistance in kilo ohms, that is nothing but 100 kilo ohms. V0 is specified as 5 volts. So this is nothing but collector voltage. You can say it as V0 also, 5 volts, and this is nothing but our emitter voltage VE. This is our base resistance, which is specified as 100k, plus of minus VBE 0.7 volt, and this is nothing but plus of minus VCE. So if we solve it further for this VCE, so this will come out to be 5 plus VCE minus 10 equals 0. So VCE comes out to be 5 volts. So our collector to emitter voltage is nothing but 5 volts. This is 0.7. If we apply a base loop here for this, we will get 10 minus 0.7 minus 100k IB equals 0. So IB equals to 9.3 by 100k. So it will comes out to be IB equals 9.3 divided 100. Sorry, 0.093 milliamps. And beta is given, so beta IB, so into 50, 4.65 milliampere. So if we apply here a KVL loop, so this is in plus minus IC. The collector current is flowing like this, in upward direction. So for this we will go for plus 5 volts minus of ICRC equals 0. So if we solve it further, 5 by 4.65 into 10 raised to minus 3 equals RC. So RC in kilo ohms would be 1.07 kilo ohms. So RC comes out to be 1.07 kilo ohms. So very basic and easy question. Let's move on to next question. So coming to next question, we are given the two silicon diodes with the forward voltage drop of 0.7 volts, and we are given the circuitry here. We have to find the input voltage range with the output equals to input voltage to be conformed. So if we conforming V0 equals to Vi, then we have to keep this both the diodes in off condition, so that in this part, or you can say in this terminal, the current will be in 0 amp. So this will nothing but 0 amps and 0 amps. So nothing but V0 equals to Vi. So to assume this, we will first make the necessary conditions. So for this, first I am taking D1 as in diode 1 as in on condition and diode 2 is in off condition. So for this R, D1 will be of 0.7 voltage drop plus of minus, this is nothing but minus 1 volt, and this is ground. D2 is in off condition. So plus of minus, this is nothing but Vi plus of minus V0. So if we assume this as in 0.7 volt, this is nothing but minus first, then this polarity changes because of minus 1 volt, and this is nothing but plus and then minus. So if we take this path, so we will get plus V0 plus of 0.7 volt, and this is nothing but plus 1 volt equals 0. So V0 comes out to be minus 1.7 volt for this terminal. Okay, so and if we assume as in D1 off and D2 on, that is nothing but this. This is nothing but in off condition, so terminal will be like this, and this is this will be in on, positive of 0.7 voltage drop plus of minus 2 volt, and this is like this 0.7 volt. Here it will be plus of minus V0, and here it will be plus of minus Vi. So if we assume as in plus of minus V0 here, second part V0 minus 0.7 and minus 2 volt equals 0. So here it will comes out to be 2.7 volt V0. And if for V0 equals to Vi, to satisfy this condition, so both the diode will be in off condition. Then if we apply KVL for both the diode in off condition, D1 off, D2 be also off, then we will get, this is nothing but this is our diode, D2 is like this and D1 is like this. So this is nothing but D1, this is nothing but D2. Okay, so this is our P terminal, this is our N terminal, this is N and this is P. So for this we have to satisfy the condition for you can say range also. So if we take here Vi and here Vi, so for this D1 so D1 on, in on condition we have got minus 1.7. So minus 1.7 will be greater than this P terminal, so it will be obviously off because N dominates, P not dominates, so this will be in off condition. And if Vi, that is nothing but D2 on we get 2.7 volts. So for N terminal, and this is nothing but P terminal, and this is nothing but N terminal. So for N terminal it's not dominant, then it will be also in off condition. So the final range will be minus 1.7 Vi, and this is nothing but 2.7. So this is our range for V0 equals to Vi to be satisfied. So D is our final answer. So thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chachan Engineering Tutorial to see such kind of videos. Thank you.